In this guide, we will be replacing the manual transmission fluid on a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer. Remove the air cleaner and intake duct for easier access. Remove the 24mm fill plug. Remove the 24mm drain plug. Once the oil is drained, fit in the drain plug. Insert the end of a flexible funnel into the fill hole of the transmission. When the car is on level ground, pour in 2.5 liters of manual transmission fluid. Let excess fluid drip out of the fill hole, before fitting in the fill plug.